rolling like a ball or a rolling ball with the band as a bit of an assistance or a wee bit of a resistance, I guess you could say. It could go either way, really. But we're going to hold the band real close underneath the ball of the foot or the arch of the foot. Don't go too close to the toes. It could fly off, and that would be bad. It would hit you. That would be bad. So I'm going to hold on to that band. I'm going to lift my legs up. I'm going to try to pull my legs into a compression. So I'm going to use the band to help me pull this compression in shape. If I need more assistance from my band, or if I don't want to really worry too much about the band getting off, I'm going to grab the band. I'm going to crisscross it across my feet. I'm going to pull in. And again, I'm looking for myself to get as tight of a ball shape as I can. From here, hold on to that band. I'm going to roll back, roll up. Inhale to roll back, exhale to roll up. Now with the band, I can really tell, right? Because I can tell if I'm letting my legs get kind of pulled kind of through the movement, right? But my goal is to stay as tight as I can and not let the band or the heels move. So I'm really tightening down and I'm trying to pull myself in as much of a ball shape as I can. Love it with the band. Without the band, he comes off. Hands can go underneath the thighs. That gives you a little bit more wiggle room to use those legs. Hands can go on top of the shins. Again, then if I have my shins, my hands on the shins, then what I can do is I can find traction expression, I guess you could say. I don't know if that's the right way, but you're going to hang onto the shins. And then in this position, I'm going to push my shins back into my hands while I push my hands down into my shins. That gives me this pressure load within the body, and I can catch it within that abdominal wall. So I'm going to push into the hands, and I'm going to hands push back into the legs. I'm going to inhale, roll back, exhale, up. And again, I'm going to keep that pressure between my leg and my hand. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And when there's no loss of pressure from toe to head, and I find myself very much in that compression shape, which is what? Compression and extension. There's your Pilates in a nutshell.